We're going to replace the hood struts on this 87 Buick Grand National. And it's pretty straightforward. You've got a shoulder bolt up on the hood bracket here and down on the fender bracket. And this is what they look like. You've got the threaded end that goes into the welded nut that's on the fender and the hood bracket. And this shoulder that actually goes through the gas strut mount. So got to make sure that you have the threads engaged. It's good to have someone holding the hood open for you so they can like lift up and down a little bit, give you a little play. But you want to make sure that the shoulder part is through the new strut eye or hole before you really start to try and engage the threads. Another thing to really watch out for on these is, depending upon the brand you get, I've heard some people complain that the gas strut was too powerful, and you can start to bend the hood here, or really bend it bad if you are being aggressive trying to close it. You're like, it's not closing. You give it a good pull, you can bend your hood. So I'll show you the brand that we got in just a minute here. I'll pause. We're using Strong Arm 4428, and we've used these before and they work really well. We got ours through Amazon, but sometimes you'll find them at different auto parts stores. And here's that eyelet I told you about. I'll take it out of the package in a minute here, but this is that eyelet, the opening at both ends. There's actually a little clip on here that we're not going to use, and that's where the shoulder bolt fits through. Okay, here's the unit, and the holes I was talking about for the shoulder bolt, and it comes with a clip on the other end, and we're going to take that off. We don't need it for this application. There's how the shoulder bolt looks, just going through the hole in the gas cylinder, and the threaded part, of course, is going to go into the brackets on the fender and the hood. So gives it the ability to float, if you will, and gives it a little bit of room, so it can open and close the hood real easy. All right, with a helper, I got the gas strut installed, and like I was saying, it's pretty straightforward. You got the shoulder bolt. The shoulder part of it goes through the hole in the gas strut. Threaded part threads into the nut with the hood bracket. And same thing down here on the fender. So shoulder bolt, shoulder part, and then the threaded part goes into the bracket on the fender. And again, be very careful when you first close the hood. With this brand, I haven't had a problem so far, but close the hood gently and, make sure if it just feels like there's way too much resistance, be very careful you don't bend your hood. So we're all done with this one, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.